everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chanel, and if you are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, feel free to leave a comment throughout this video. Let's have a conversation. So in today's video, I am applying this wig that I did receive from Luvme Hair. It is their glueless body wave closure wig, and it is in the length 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. I will be sure to leave all of that information down in the description box, so at the end of this video, if you are interested in this wig, feel free to look down there in the description box. It will have the link to the wig, also the length of the wig, the texture, all the information that you will be looking for will be in that description box below. I stated, this is their body wave glueless wig, and I have to say that this is a very, very pretty wig. I love the fact that it is very soft and it has good luster to the wig. As you can see, the luster is there. It's not too shiny. It's actually, to me, it's just right. Like you can tell that it's not necessarily your natural hair. However, it's not too shiny to the point where it looks synthetic. I love the fact that it is lightweight. Even though it is 20 inches, it's still pretty lightweight. It's very comfortable on my head. It's not too tight, but it still has that security, so I do not have to worry about the wig shifting or coming off. They also give a strap that goes around the perimeter of your hair, along with 3 combs, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, it's either 3 or 4 combs. I am going to show that in the beginning of this video, but it comes with the combs, so you can also have that for security, and then also you have your adjustable straps in the back so you can make the wig tighter. Now, I do not have any of the combs in. I don't have the adjustable straps. All I have is the actual band that's going from ear to ear. It's actually it's underneath my braids. It's actually underneath my braids, and I did that just so the wig can lay really flat and give it that security, as I mentioned earlier. So also this wig, you can see that it holds a very good curl. I did curl my wig off of camera. I didn't show that, but all I did was use my my Remington. It's my Remington Remington curling wand that I got from Walmart years ago. I used this and did a lightly wine curl, and then I just finger combed it out. I let it, cool off a little bit, but before I allow for it to cool off, I just make sure I stretch the hair out so you don't get that Shirley Temple look. Over time, the curls will continue to drop, and then you'll have a body wave. I wanted to make sure that I added the body wave back into the hair because I loved how it looked originally. Now, I did find that there is a few cons to this wig. One being that the wig is a little big for my head, so what I did was just fold over the ear tab on the side, just so it can fit a little bit better on my particular head. If you have a larger head or whatever the case is, you normally don't fit the stock wig. If you don't normally fit stock wigs, I feel like this will still be a good fit for you, since it's too big for my head, and I feel like my head is, I have a pretty good sized head. It's not small by any means, but it still fits really good after I fold over that ear tab. It's not really bothering my ears. I did leave my hair in the front out around the perimeter. I just feel like it looks a lot more natural, more like a sew-in when I do that. And I put the lace behind my hair lining because I just feel like it gives you more of that closure, or it gives you more of that frontal look. So that is a tip if you want to try that. Now, I could add some layers into the front, but I don't really want to, because just in case I want to shift the wig and put it in the middle, I want to make sure that both sides are evenly length. So I don't really want to put too many layers in this. None at all, really, not right now at least. But as you can see, I do not have any tangles. My fingers just running directly through this wig. I am receiving some shedding, and when I was washing the wig as well, I did receive some shedding during that time. So you will get a little bit of shedding. It's not too bad, but you will receive shedding. So I definitely love how this wig, the construction of it is well made, and it lays flat. I really love that because my foundation, my braids, they're pretty loose. They're not tiny at all, and the wig is still laying flat. In my opinion, it looks like I have a sew-in, so that is an A+ in my book. But yeah, look how flat this is. I'm loving it. Sometimes wig constructions is too bulky and you get like, that humpy look, but this one is laying perfect. So awesome. This is awesome. So lightweight, so lightweight, and it's still flowing. Girl, stiff wear. you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Also, let me know if you want to see anything else on my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you on my next one. Take care. Be safe.